If you're considering KKday Singapore PTE, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice compared to other travel experience platforms out there. In this video, I'll break down 7 essential things you need to know before making your purchase, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether it's the best option for your travel needs. Stick around for the whole video, because I'll also show you how to get the best offer and try it completely free from the link in the description below. Let's dive in. First off, KKday offers a wide variety of experiences in Singapore, from unique local tours to exclusive travel activities. Unlike some of its competitors, KKday allows you to book everything from skip-the-line tickets to cultural experiences all in one place. This is a huge convenience compared to other platforms that may only focus on specific types of experiences, like Viator or Klook. Whether you're booking a guided tour of Singapore's famous gardens by the bay or a thrilling Universal Studios pass, KKday has it covered. Next thing. When it comes to pricing, KKday is known for offering competitive rates. While it might not always be the cheapest option, they frequently run promotions and discounts that can beat out other major players. Plus, their flash sales are something to watch for if you're planning to visit Singapore. These deals are often exclusive to KKday and can save you a lot, especially if you're booking multiple experiences in advance. One of the advantages here is that, compared to the often rigid pricing on other platforms, KKday's flexibility in pricing can be a big win. The third thing you need to know is KKday's customer support. I've used their service myself, and while they are generally responsive, some users have reported that it takes a little longer to get a reply during peak times. However, this is a common issue across most online travel booking platforms. They do offer support in several languages, including English, which is helpful for international travelers. Next thing, KKday offers instant booking confirmation, which is a must-have for any traveler who's short on time. You won't have to wait for days to get your tickets or vouchers. This is a huge advantage over other services, where sometimes you have to wait for approval, or even deal with cancellations or booking errors. With KKday, you know exactly where you stand. Now, let's talk about the variety of payment options. KKday makes it easy to pay for experiences with credit cards, PayPal, and other local payment methods, which is great for international customers. This flexibility is something that some competitors lack, especially for those of us who prefer alternative payment options. They also offer a secure checkout process, so you don't have to worry about your details being compromised. The sixth thing, KKday's app is one of the easiest to navigate in the industry. Whether you're browsing for last-minute events or planning ahead for something more elaborate, the app's interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Many travel apps can be confusing or cluttered, but KKday keeps it simple, which makes booking experiences a breeze. That said, some features on their website could be a bit more detailed, especially in terms of user reviews, but the mobile experience more than makes up for it. Finally, let's talk about the rewards and perks. KKday is known for offering membership programs that allow you to earn points with every booking. These points can be redeemed for discounts on future experiences, which is great for frequent travelers. When you compare this to other travel platforms, where you might not get these benefits unless you book through specific channels, KKday really stands out in terms of rewarding loyal customers. So, if you want to try out KKday Singapore PTE and experience everything it has to offer at the best rate, you should definitely click the first link in the description below to get an exclusive offer and some bonus perks. Don't miss out. This could be the best travel companion you didn't know you needed. Thanks for watching.